Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Tune second generation device to any Android phone or tablet. First of all, you need to find the power button and you have to click on it once. Now when you take a look on the screen, it will be turned on, and you have to click also once on the power button. You will hear this notification sound, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. We can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our device and then click to pair new device. Now select JBL Tuner second generation from the list, accept the pairing, and as you can see we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.